Good morning friends, today I will continue the solid problem. For example, I will take cone. The cone diameter is 30 mm and height is 40 mm. For example, in orthogonal cone, you have to write one circle. The diameter is given. As per dimension, you have to write 30. After that, XY line, project from the center, you have to draw. Height is 40, you have to join. That is called as a orthogonal view. That is called as orthogonal. But I want isometric because of solid, so that's why I have to write isometric. First, isometric cone, this is called as orthogonal cone, means 2D. I will write 3D. First, you have to write circle. For example, the circle, if it is inclined 30 degree, because you have to incline 30 degree isometric scale. So if it is inclined circle, if it is inclined 30 degree, they look like a ellipse. So first you have to write ellipse. Take one XY line. I will show you how to write cone. Select one point. Always first you have to measure 30 degree. Then project. The cone diameter is 30 mm, so that's why you have to measure 30 degree. Point number O, this point is called as A, this point is called as B. After that, parallel line. O to A parallel line from the B. Next, O to B, you have to write one parallel line from A. Then you will get a square. After that, you have to find out which one is the nearest corner. For example, this will be B, A is the near or C, O is the near. We are considering nearest corner is O to C is the nearest corner. So that's why from the O corner to opposite edge center, this is called the edge. You have to measure center. For example, this is called 30 mm. 15, you have to draw from the corner, from this corner. You have to select nearest corner. After that, you have to measure this is 30, 15, draw one thin line. Same this corner, opposite line. 30 mm, you have to measure 15. Next, this is a 30 mm, measure 50. Next, take compass from O corner. This is the center. This point is called as the end. The line is called as the end. So you have to draw arc. Similarly, the C is the center. This point is called as the end. Draw. Next, the right side corner, the center is a corner, so that's why to draw one arc. Left side corner, you have to select an arc. Dark 4 arcs, you will get a ellipse. the ellipse is a thick line because I don't want the box and lines. I want only the ellipse. This is a circle. If it is inclined 30 degree, they look like an ellipse. After that, I will write cone. So that's why you have to find out the center. This line. Point is the center, and second line, the point is the center. This is called as the center. The height is given 40 mm. You have to measure from the center 40. The height is measured from the center. After that, you have to join ellipse surface. After that, you have to join ellipse surface. Then you will get cone. This is called as isometric cone. This is called as orthogonal cone. For example, I will consider the second one, cylinder. Cylinder. (30 mm) cylinder, for example, we are considering a 30 mm cylinder in orthogonal. In orthogonal view, it is called a 2D view, so that's why to draw the circle. And you have to write one XY line. After that, you have to project, and cylinder height is also given. For example, 40. The height is 40. This is called a cylinder in orthogonal. The cylinder diameter is 30 mm and height 40 mm. Orthogonal view. But I will write isometric, so that's why you have to write one line, select one point, draw 30-degree line to creating a box. Same procedure I have to draw because I will write the ellipse. So 30 and 30. Draw the line. Thin line. The angle is given 30. You have to take 30 because this is isometric. The diameter is given 30 mm, so that's why to take 30 from the O. This point is called as A. From the O, this point is called as B. After that, parallel line you have to draw from the B. And from here you have to write one parallel line. See, now you have to write a ellipse. The ellipse, nearest corner you have to select. C and O is the nearest corner. The line join from corner to opposite edge center. This is called the edge center. You have to measure 30 mm, 50 mark. This is 30 mm. You have to mark 50. Just you have to join corner to opposite head center. Similarly, opposite side to join, measure center, and you have to measure center. And take compass. O is the center. Next, C is the center. Next, right side. Have to write right side arc. Next, this goes the left side. Dark, this ellipse. This is called ellipse. After that, find out the center because I want cylinder, so that's why I have to find out the center. The center height is given 40. 40. You have to take from all the corners because they have 4 corners O, A, B, C. You have to measure 40, 40 from all the corners. B need to measure 40. C you have to measure 40 because the cylinder, if it is mentioned cone, you have to measure from the center to 40, center to height, that is called 40. But here is a given cylinder, so that's why you have to measure from all the corners 40 mm. Next, this is called the second box. Next, you have to continue nearest corner. This is called the nearest corner. Corner to opposite center, have to measure. This is 30, measure 50. This line is 30, measure 50. This line is 30, measure 50. This line is 30, measure 50. Nearest corner, corner to opposite dead center, corner to opposite dead center. Now this is the corner to opposite dead center, corner to opposite dead center. Take compass, creating an arc. This is the center. One arc. This is the center. Arc. Right side arc. Left side take. And draw dark line. Because of the cylinder, so that's why I have to draw one surface line from both sides. I have to draw one surface line. Now the center to center, center to center line, height is 40 mm. This is called as a cylinder. Isometric cylinder, orthogonal cylinder. The diameter is 30, height is 40. You have to write isometric, don't write orthogonal. So this is a cone, diameter is 30 mm, height is 40, it's orthogonal. Isometric you have to write. You have to incline 30 degree always. Thank you.